I cannot believe you still here, Mr. Chatwidget. Especially with that sweater on. I can't believe they haven't fired you yet.
Yes, your written complaint to my superiors was frowned upon. They not only laughed that your spelling was as bad as Mike Tyson's, but that a donkey wrote the complaint.
Shit. I unequivocally condemn your customer service, Mr. Chatwidget.
I bet you can't spell that.
Your customer service is the worst in the industry. However, I do need a barn-style garage door.
Of course you do, donkey. Well, we have the best garage doors on the planet. You will find them online at Showroom Partners.
I don't know why I even bother calling you, Mr. Chatwidget. All you do is send me to your website.
Now you sound like that damn Elvis.
You see, this is where you probably don't understand what's happening. Most sales professionals would assist a consumer with a recommendation. You know, like, I don't know. I would go with the 9800 series, which are fiberglass doors, because they are maintenance-free. They look like real wood doors, but, they are well insulated. It's going to save you a lot of money over comparable brands, and they are secure and would keep that big bad wolf out.
That would be useful information, donkey. I'll keep that under consideration. Not.
Boy, you know what? You best not let me catch you here in my forest, Mr. Chatwidget. Especially with that sweater on.
Love you, donkey.